Alright guys, your buddy CruzinMoto here today, and today this is going to be the second to the last install for the FZ-07, and today I'm going to be putting in the K&N air filter, the high flow one, into the FZ-07, get rid of that stupid stock one and everything. So that is what we're doing today and everything, but there's a bunch of fairings and stuff you got to take off. You got to take off the seat, of course. At first you got to take off all these plastics and everything on the side, which consists of this bolt. There's a bunch of bolts actually under this, bunch of screws just like this one underneath this panel. You're gonna have to take this one off the gas cap too, and then once I get these all off, I'll get back to you guys and show you the other two bolts. There's two that go to the motor on this side and that side, and then there's the one big one over here you're gonna need to get to where you can actually pivot the tank up and everything. So I will get back to you. Well, I won't really get back to you. I'll fast forward. I'll show you guys what I'm doing, taking this stuff off so you guys actually be able to see it, but I'm going to fast forward it all and stuff, so it just kind of happens real quick. I don't know if I'll use all the footage, because it takes a few minutes to get all this stuff off. But go ahead and just sit back, chill, and enjoy. Okay guys, as you can see, I got a bunch of it off there and everything. The only thing I gotta do left is take off these two screws, and then the ones here on the side to remove the plastic piece over there, and then it's these two screws right down here gotta undo. So I'm gonna take care of those real quick. We're almost there. As you can see, here's the snorkel for the gear, for the air box and stuff. So we're just about there, people. Stupid ass keys. I need to take all the good ones off of this and freaking put them on my good set. All right. So the next thing I just got to do is get out my little, get your ratchet out and stuff, so you can get to this. I want to say it's a a 12mm thread. Yeah, I'm gonna check out an 11, see if that works out better. No, what about a 7/16? Because you want to make sure it's, you know, that's not good. 1/2 inch. Try the 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch is what you want. Okay, 1/2 inch will fit a lot better on there. And this is pretty much the step. You just got to loosen this bad boy just a little bit, so that way you can lift the tank up. So there's pretty much that, and now I just got to get something to put under it. I'll just go ahead and use the dyno jet box. But there we go. Get that under there. Stick that right here so it chills. Now we got the air box exposed. So now we just go to unscrewing this sucker. We're almost there, guys, and I'm not going to show you how we're going to end it here as soon as I do this, because I'm not going to waste your guys' time putting everything back together or whatever. So, but there's the snorkel, got that off. There's a screw down inside, we got to get that out, and once we unscrew this, the filter will come out, and we'll get to compare the two filters here. And wham bam, thank you ma'am, that one's out of there. Alright, so here's the stock air filter versus the high flow K&N. Big difference, as you guys can see. This one's definitely gonna get way more airflow because this has some stupid mesh thing around it. You can just tell by the insides. Hole's about regular or about the same, so it's, but you know, you're definitely going to get more out of an aftermarket air filter and stuff. This one looks like it's just going to sit inside there, no screwing it down or nothing. So that's pretty much about it, guys. You know, it sits down in there just like so. Blammo, done. And then gonna put the snorkel back on and it's all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this install video. It wasn't too bad, went pretty good. Look at that, goes right back on just like a so. So just gonna screw that down and then we're done. So if you guys enjoyed the install video of the air filter for this bike, go ahead and give the video the thumbs up and everything. And as always, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment on my videos if you guys want. And I have one more install video coming here soon. I've just got to wait for another thing to come in for it. And other than that, this is pretty much going to be all the customization done to the FZ-07 and everything. I don't plan on doing much to it anymore after this, unless for some crazy reason I can come along some stupid part freaking somewhere that'll be cool to throw on this thing. But other than that, guys, this is your boy CruzinMoto. As always, love, peace, and chicken grease. Peace out.
Back from the dead.